everyone, this is Eric from your Flex Innovations team, and welcome to the second video in our Flex Plug and Play series. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up another Flex Innovations plug and play model, the RV810E. We'll show you how to do a basic setup for the plane, your transmitter, and how to use the Flap Systems menu in the Aura Config tool. This is our RV810E Super Plug and Play model. The RV810E has one of Aura's newest features, the Flap Systems menu, which we'll go over in a minute. Here's the 4651T receiver we will be using. If you order it from our website, you receive that free cable that will connect to Aura. For the transmitter setup, I followed the manual. The first thing I did is made sure there was no expo, no dual rates, no trims, and no flap settings. I then made sure my travels were properly set, setting my aileron, elevator, and rudder to 125, leaving throttle, gear, and aux1 at 100. Be sure to assign your switches. Channel 5 needs to be on a 3-position switch for your flight modes. Channel 6 needs to be on its own 3-position switch for flaps. Here we are confirming with the channel input config our switch assignments. Let's take a look at the Flap Systems menu in the Aura Config tool. The Flap Systems menu allows you to easily customize your flap settings. You can choose to get the flap values from your transmitter or from Aura. This menu allows you to choose which channel your flaps are on and the switch type, a 3-position switch or a 2-position switch. The RV810E already comes with preset flap settings, but you can choose to customize your own. You can customize your elevator to flap mixing, as well as your deployment speed. The bottom section allows you to customize your live wing setup. You can choose which flight mode is affected, as well as each flap's individual positive and negative scaling. It's a good idea to step outside and test all of your settings. When the flaps are deployed in flight modes 1 and 2, the flaps do not move with the ailerons. However, when you engage flight mode 3, live wing is enabled. Live wing is a feature that comes preloaded on your RV810E's Aura profile. I then headed out to the field to meet up with Rocky. We had already confirmed that all the channel assignments were correct, so we installed the propeller and did a wiggle test. Remember, be like Rocky. Use the throttle trim up to get that prop spinning before you advance the throttle stick. Let's go over the trimming steps for your maiden flight with a Flex Plug and Play model. Aura features a quick trim mode that eliminates the need for mechanical linkage adjustment during your first test flights. All you need to do is take off in your favorite flight mode and trim as normal. Once you are happy with the way your plane is flying, land and keep it in that flight mode. With your transmitter on and in the flight mode that you were trimming, the only other thing you will need is a bind plug. Locate the servo cable that is plugged into Aura port S3 and remove it. Next, plug in the bind plug into Aura port S3. You can then power up the airplane, and you'll notice that Aura's LED is flashing blue very slowly. Remove the bind plug from Aura port S3. When you remove the bind plug, you'll notice that the blue LED is now flashing very fast. This fast blue flashing light indicates that Aura is ready to accept your transmitter's trims. Go ahead and center any trims that you have in your transmitter. Once you have finished centering your trims, go ahead and plug the servo cable back into Aura port S3 and power down your airplane. Quick trim is complete. And don't forget to turn off your transmitter. That's it, everyone. It's that simple. Our RV810E is now set up and complete. If you ever need to trim your airplane again, simply repeat the quick trim process. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.